I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting both devices ready. Enable developer options and turn on USB debugging on your Android, because OBS needs a feed it can access. On the PC, install OBS and the chosen bridge apps such as SCRCPY or DroidCam. These create a virtual camera source for OBS. Once done, connect via USB or ensure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi for wireless use. Make sure battery saver and aggressive sleep modes are off so the feed remains active during capture. Next, launch the Bridge app so your Android preview appears on the PC. You must confirm the app is streaming before switching to OBS. In OBS, add a new video capture device, choose the virtual camera created by SCRCPY or DroidCam, and position the source in your scene. Then adjust resolution and frame rate to match your target, 30 or 60 FPS, and decide whether to capture audio from the phone or a separate mic. If you plan to switch cameras, set hotkeys now for seamless transitions. To finish, refine the look. Crop, scale, and apply color correction in OBS so the Android image integrates smoothly. Then lock the source to prevent accidental moves. Do a short test recording or stream to confirm audio sync and that bitrate and encoder settings hold up. If anything fails, reconnect USB in file transfer mode, restart the Bridge app, and confirm firewall rules allow the client. Often restarting SCRCPY or DroidCam and toggling USB debugging fixes, dropped frames or connection loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.